Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. This is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 3, exercise 3.3. See the first sum. Solve the cubic equation 2x cube minus x square minus 18x plus 9 equal to 0. If the sum of its two roots vanishes. What is the meaning for that vanishes? Suppose you can take it as let alpha, beta and gamma are the roots. Let alpha, beta and gamma are the roots. Two roots are vanishes means it means alpha plus beta equal to 0. Alpha plus beta equal to 0. It means alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 0 because of two roots or vanishes. Okay, so alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to alpha value is 0 and beta value is 0. And now can take it as sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. It is nothing but second term by first term. Minus of minus 1 by 2. It gives 1 by 2. Next, sum of the product of the two roots. What is that value? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta equal to C by A. Third term by first term. Third term by first term is minus 9. Next, alpha beta gamma equal to minus 9 by 2. See, you can take it as alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Two roots are vanishes means you can take it as this as 1. So alpha plus beta equal to 0 plus gamma equal to 1 by 2 from 1. So what is the value of gamma? Gamma equal to 1 by 2. Now we are going to find out the other roots, other factor. See here, by synthetic division method. Know very well, you studied in the 10th standard itself. By synthetic division method, you can take the coefficient of x cube, x square, x and constant term. See here, by synthetic division method. Synthetic division method, what is the coefficient of x cube? 2 minus 1 minus 18 and 9. You check it once. 2 minus 1 minus 18 and 9 divided by that gamma value is what? 1 by 2. Gamma value is 1 by 2. Gamma value is 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2. So you put 0 here, 2, then you multiply this 2 value. What is the value? You can do it in your upper column. 1 by 2 into 2, 2 get cancelled. 1, so you can write it here, 0. 0 into 1 by 2, 0. So minus 18 is there, 18 into 1 by 2. Minus 18 into 1 by 2, you cancel that value. What is the value? Minus 9. So minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So what is the other factor? 2x square, x term is 0, minus 18 equal to 0. 2, this is x square, x, and this is constant term. 2x square minus 18 equal to 0. 2x square equal to 18. X square equal to 9. X equal to plus or minus 3. X equal to plus or minus 3. So the roots are the roots are minus 3 comma 3 comma gamma value is what? 1 by 2. See here, 3 minus 3, the value is 0. So the roots are minus 3 comma 3 comma 1 by 2. Now we move on to the second sum. What is the second one? Solve the equation 9x cube minus 36x square plus 44x minus 16 equal to 0 if the roots form an arithmetic progression. If the roots form an arithmetic progression, you can take it as let the roots are in AP. They are given as let the roots, let the roots are in AP. Let the roots are in AP. கவிதா மிஸ் வந்துக்கோங்க, நான் பாஸ் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். நான் கவிதா மிஸ் கத்திக்கிட்டே உள்ள வர இந்த வருது எதிர்க்க. எடுக்கலாமா? Let the roots are in AP. AP means, let us take it as, you know that AP form, let us take it as, let us take, what is the formula? A minus D, comma, A plus D. AP form, A minus D, comma, A plus D. Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots equal to, sum of the roots is A minus D plus A plus D equal to what? Minus B by A. Minus B by A. Minus second term by first term. So it cancel 4. Here DD cancel. 3A equal to 3A equal to 4. What is the value of A? A equal to 4 by 3. The value of A is 4 by 3. Next, product of the roots. Product of the roots. Product of the roots. That is second term. Product of two roots. Product of two roots. A into A minus product of the roots. You can take it as product of the roots. That is the last term. That is 16 by. Don't take it as product of the two roots. Product of the roots. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. So product of the roots. Product of the roots equal to A minus D into A plus D. It is nothing but what? Yeah, it is nothing but minus 16 by 9. See, this is minus B by A. This is C by A. Product of the two roots is C by A. And product of the roots is what? Minus D by A. Minus D by A. Fourth term by last term. Minus D by A. Minus of minus 16 by 9. Here A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus D square. You know the identity formula. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square into A equal to 16 by 9. 16 by 9. See here. A square minus D square into A equal to 16 by 9. But you know the value of A. What is the value of A? A equal to 4 by 3. Substitute A equal to 4 by 3 here. So 4 by 3 the whole square minus D square into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 equal to 16 by 9. 16 by 9. So 4 by 3, that is 16 by 9 minus D square equal to, it is in a product form. So 16 by 9 into 3 by 4. 16 by 9 into 3 by 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 4 ones are 4, it is 4 by 3. minus d square equal to 4 by 3 minus 16 by 9. So it gives minus d square equal to, you can take it as 9 as the LCM, into 3 into 3, 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16 minus d square equal to minus 4 by 9. Minus minus get cancelled. So d square equal to 4 by 9 implies d equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. D equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. So what is a minus d? What is a minus d? You can take it as plus or minus 2 by 3. So d value, you can take it as 2 by 3. What is a minus d? A minus d equal to, a value is 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So the value is what? The value is 2 by 3. The value is 2 by 3. Next, a plus d. A plus d equal to 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. It gives 6 by 3. It gives 6 by 3. So the value is 2. So the roots are, the roots are the roots are a minus d comma a plus d. A minus d is what? 2 by 3 comma a value is 4 by 3 comma a plus d is 2. So the roots are a minus d comma a plus d. So 2 by 3 comma 4 by 3 comma 2. Now we move on to the third sum. What is the third sum? Solve the equation. Solve the equation 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0. If it is roots, form a GP. If it is roots, form a GP. What is that meaning for GP? Geometric progression. Geometric progression. So you can take it as your roots a by r comma a comma ar. So let the roots be. Let the roots be. Let the roots be. You studied in the 10th standard itself. What is the GP? Let the roots in your form of, let the roots in the form of GP. In the form of GP. Let the roots in the form of GP. So what is the GP format? If it is AP format, means a minus d comma a plus d. If it is in a GP format, what is that? A by r comma a comma ar. A by r comma a comma ar. So sum of the roots, you can take it as sum of the roots minus b by a. You can take it as first sum of the roots. Sum of the roots equal to, sum of the roots equal to, that is a by r plus a plus ar. A by r plus a plus ar. A you can take it as commonly out. So 1 by r plus 1 plus r. Sum of the roots equal to minus b by a, second term by first term, minus of minus 26 by 3. So it gives 26 by 3. It gives 26. It gives 26 by 3. So a into 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal to 26 by 3. 26 by 3. Next, product of the roots. Product of the roots. Product of the roots. Product of the roots equal to. Product of the roots equal to. See here, what is product of the roots? Product of the roots is a by r comma into a comma into ar. A by r into A comma R get cancelled. That is D by A. That is D by A minus of D by A minus of 24 by A value is what? 3. So A cube equal to 24 by 3 is 8. A equal to 2. A equal to 2. Substitute A equal to 2 in this equation. In this equation, substitute substitute A equal to 2 in first equation. A into 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 26 by 3. 26 by 3. See here, what is the value of A? A is 2 into, you can take the LCM as R. So 1 plus R square. 1 plus R square equal to 26 by 3. So 2 ones are 2, 13s are 2 ones are 2, 13s are. So R square plus R plus 1 equal to by R. Cross multiplication 13 R by 3. So 3 into R square plus R plus 1 equal to 13 R. Then 3R square plus 3R plus 3 minus 13R equal to 0. So 3R square minus 10R plus 3 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 10 and product equal to 9. Sum equal to minus 10 and product equal to 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9 and 9 ones are 9. What is the possible value here? Minus 9 minus 1. Minus 9 minus 1. See here, 3R square. 3R square minus 10R plus 3 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 10 and product equal to 9. 9 you will choose 9 ones are 9 ones are 9 ones are. So you can take it as minus 1 minus 9. So by 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. So what is the value? R minus 3 into R minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Therefore, R equal to 3 comma 1 by 3. R can takes the value 3 comma 1 by 3. So you can choose if R equal to 3. If R equal to 3, the roots are, if R equal to 3, the roots are R equal to 3, the roots are, what is the root? A by R. A value is what? 2. A value is 2. So A by R comma A comma AR. So it gives 2 by 3 comma 2 comma 2 by 3 comma 2 comma 3 twos are 6 because A value is 2. A value is 2. If you can choose R value equal to 1 by 3. R value equal to 1 by 3. A by R. A value is what? 2 by 1 by 3 comma 2 comma 2 into 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3. So it reciprocal, the value is 6 comma, the value is 6 comma 2 comma 2 by 3. The value is, the roots are 6 comma 2 comma 2 by 3. Either the value is 2 by 3 comma 2 comma 6. The roots are 6 comma 2 comma 2 by 3. I hope you understood, children. Thank you.